Okay, here's more of the puppies having their first goat's milk and yogurt and egg mixture. Uh-oh. Ooh, look at Sonora got the best of Echo that time. That doesn't usually happen. Oh, there they go. Interesting to watch those tails. Oh.
Picks on anybody.
Yeah, well, she's not usually the one who picks on. She usually gets picked on.
She's little to be picking
She's
on the
small.
big
She has to be small but mighty. Uh-oh, Echo's going to go get her again. Okay. Oh. Really fun to watch these interactions. Okay, now nobody's eating. Probably they'll fall into it. Oh, Sonora's feeling really feisty this morning. Okay, I better stop this. It's getting too long. Sorry. Oh, wait. You see, they're getting really vocal.